Have you ever noticed a green tint on your potatoes? You might think it's harmless. But that green part could hide something dangerous. Today, we are diving into the science of why you should never eat the green part of a potato. So, what's the deal with green potatoes? The green color is a sign of chlorophyll, which is harmless. But here's the catch: when potatoes are exposed to too much light, they produce chlorophyll and a toxin called solanine. Solanine is nature's way of protecting the potato from being eaten by insects and animals. But it's not great for humans. Eating too much solanine can lead to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, headaches, and even neurological issues. So, if you see a potato with green spots, it's best to cut them out. Next time you spot that green, you'll know exactly what to do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and science-packed videos. See you next time.